Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide a post on threads. Maybe you saw a post that seems inappropriate and you don't want it to be visible on your feed. So today I'm going to show you how to hide a post on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, navigate to the post that you want to hide. You can do this by scrolling through your home feed or by visiting the profile of the user who made the post. Once you have found the post, simply tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the post. This will open a menu with various options. In this menu, tap on Hide. After that, you now have successfully hidden a post on Threads. The post will not be visible anymore in your home feed. This action is a great way to manage the posts in your feed and to create a more enjoyable experience on the application. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide a post on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide a post on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.